Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I want to make two dog jackets for the springtime. I sell my dog clothes in my local groomer, so I want to make two new jackets in there. This is my example. My dog really loves this kind of jackets. There's no sleeves in here. I have my pattern here. This is the back side. This is the where's the dummies, and this is the hood. And in here I want to use Velcro, not snaps, because these kind of snaps, they come out really easily. I already replaced this one. There's a hole, if you can see, so I don't want to make with snaps, this reason. So I put a Velcro in there. And for the reflector I will use these kind of things. I'm gonna put this one side and the other side. I want to use those fabrics because they are lightweight and waterproof. So one for girl and one for boy. This one is really cute. It's with fox and rainbows. But it's kind of light. I don't know if they want really light. Maybe this one. I think I will make this one. It can go with boys and girls. And for the girl one, this is with the chalk. Maybe this flower one. Butterfly, this is too light, I think. This one. Or maybe I will make this one. For the inside, I think I want to use minky fleece. This one with this. For the yellow, it's too bright. Blue, or maybe blue. Or maybe I will make blue. This is really cute, I think, the blue one. I'm gonna use this. Or both of them. No, I think I'm gonna use blue with this. And maybe this pink one. I have got all of these pieces what I need. This is the blue and this one, and this is the pink one. So everything I need to start sewing I have in here. The first thing I need to make, I think, is the holes in the back. Like in here and in this one, and also with this blue one. But I need to measure how far and how long I make this, because everyone's harness is different places, so it's kind of hard to do. I really don't like to do this, but they have asked for this hole in here, so I need to make at least 2 of those to see are they interested to buy or not. So let's make this for the first step, this interfacing over here, to make it a little stronger. In the middle, carefully make this. And over here, kind of the same place. Mark the middle here. I need to do this because I'm cutting this slit over here, so it must be a little bit stronger. So this is gonna be the sewing line, and this one. And the cutting line is in the middle, this and this and this. Let's cut slit over here and start cutting. It's really important that you cut really nice and clean over the corner. I'm gonna cut this too. We need to sew over here one piece of fabric. It doesn't matter how long or how it's gonna be. Now we're gonna turn this inside. Like this. And make sure this is like that. And now we're gonna stitch this in place. For the next step, I'm gonna sew the shoulder seams for this one and for this one. Now we can put the hood pin in place and let's sew. Now I'm gonna sew the armholes here. Then I'm going to sew these sides together, and the last one is all around. Now let's turn this around and we will see how it came out. This thing needs little pressing and I need to top stitch it and put the velcro in here. And then it's done. Then I make this one and I will show you how this came out. So now is the next day and I have finished both of the jackets. The blue one, the pink one, and I have managed to make the holes in here for the harness. They look like this, and the other one is like this. They're really nice and lightweight. This material is rainproof, and in this inside is little softer to give some warmth. So the inside looks like this. The last thing I need to make is put the tags in here. So this is my price. I'm gonna make the corners around like this one. I'm gonna use just a simple stretch thread. There has my name and the price. If you like it and you want to buy it, then you can find this in my Etsy shop. The Etsy shop name is Lonapaus. You can search it, or I have a link in the description box. So that's how they came out. and I'll see you the next one. Have a good day. Bye.